On March 23, 2023, in Charlotte County, Florida, sheriff's deputies responded to a minor traffic accident, but what began as a routine incident quickly turned into something much more concerning. Let's break down what happened.
So what exactly happened?
So I was coming home on the way to my boyfriend's work. He works at the Walmart distribution.
Okay.
And I believe right here at the turn, I accidentally hit him.
Okay.
Not much. It did cause a little bit of damage to his car.
Okay.
My father-in-law's. I don't see.
Deputies arrived to find two vehicles involved in a minor collision. One of the drivers, a woman, explained she was on her way to her boyfriend's workplace and had accidentally hit the car in front of her. She mentioned that the impact wasn't significant and the other driver didn't seem to be injured. But as the deputies spoke with the driver, something about her demeanor raised immediate concerns. Her behavior appeared off, leading the deputies to suspect that she might be impaired.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you over the...
I said I hit his plate, my father-in-law's, and
Okay.
it caused a little bit of damage. My father-in-law's plate fell off.
Okay.
So it hit it and then for it to fall off, and then I stopped automatically. And from what I believe, he's not hurt at all.
So this is the main damage of it right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
From what I see, this is what fell off of my vehicle,
Okay.
or my father-in-law's vehicle, and I don't know what damage is done to his vehicle.
I understand.
But as soon as I hit it,
Can you set that down for a quick second just so I can grab a photo of the damage?
Airbag is going out on one of the trucks, and we have two patients there, including one
Thank you.
bedroom and one
no
day.
problem.
Deputy Friend with the Sheriff's Office, I'm going to be the one working the accident. So what exactly happened?
I was on a complete stop here, and then she came up and hit me from behind.
So you guys were coming this way on Kings Highway?
We were coming this way.
This way stopped at that red light.
Yes.
So you guys made a U-turn, came all the way back over here?
No, we were... Can I step out?
Yeah. Without walking into the traffic here.
We were right here.
Yeah.
Right there, and she was right here.
Okay. All right, so a bit of a technical issue there, but I had my card out. I read you your Miranda warnings. You understand all of the rights that I read off to you. And you're agreeing to talk with me at this point, correct?
Yes.
And I'm seeing stuff that would make me concerned about you getting back out on the road at this point, okay? Indicators that you may have been impaired when you were operating the vehicle today. With that being said, are you willing to submit to field sobriety exercises to try to dispel my fears? Okay. Just to clarify, are you sick or injured?
What is that?
Are you sick at all or injured? Okay. Since we have the most level ground over here, I'm just going to ask you to take a step down over by where Deputy Oski is. So you can face towards me so you don't have the sun going straight into your eyes.
This one?
Yeah, towards me. No. So that way the sun's not in your eyes, okay? So first exercise that I'm going to do is called horizontal gaze nystagmus. All that I'm going to have you do for this exercise and for all, let me back this up for a second. For all the exercises, unless I tell you otherwise, starting position is going to be the same. Your heels and your toes are going to be in line. Hands are going to be down at your side, head and eye straight forward. You understand that starting position?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about the starting position?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So first exercise, like I started to go over, is called horizontal gaze nystagmus. What I'm going to have you do for that one is you're going to be following the stimuli, which for this exercise will be the very tip of this pen. You're going to follow it with your eyes and your eyes only. Do you understand those instructions as I gave them to you?
Yes, sir.
Any questions before I get started with it?
No.
Deputies politely asked if she was willing to submit to field sobriety tests to ensure she wasn't under the influence. With no signs of injury or sickness, the woman agreed, unaware that this decision would lead to an arrest. The first test, the horizontal gaze nystagmus, a test where you follow a pen with your eyes. Then came the walk and turn test, followed by the one-leg stand. Unfortunately, she struggled with each one, showing clear signs of impairment.
Alright, so next exercise is going to be called the walk and turn. Do you understand the instructions that I just gave to you? Okay, so just to clarify that again, when you're taking the steps forward, it's going to be 9 heel to toe steps, so your
Right.
heels and your toes are going to be directly in line. Yes, right
Just
foot
9
first.
steps. Right
Yep.
first.
Yep, don't forget that you're looking down at your feet the whole time, okay?
Okay.
You understand the instructions?
I believe so.
Any questions about it before we begin?
No.
Okay, go ahead and assume the starting position. Okay, stop. Okay. So, when you're taking the return steps, you're going to take them straight back the same way that you came from, okay? So you just came to the stop here. I'll let you face back that way and take the serious and not the toe steps back, okay? Alright, face back towards me. Alright, so the next exercise I'm going to have you do is called the one-leg stand. You're comfortable in the shoes that you're in? Should have asked that before the walk and turn. I just wanted to clarify that now. You're comfortable in those shoes. Do you understand those instructions that I gave to you?
Yeah.
Any questions about any of it before we get started? Alright, just so I can mark it on the form, which foot are you going to be raising?
My left.
Okay.
2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025.
Relax. Alright, last exercise I'm going to have you do is going to be finger to nose. What I'm going to have you do for this one is extend just your pointer fingers from each hand. You're going to tilt your head back slightly. You're going to touch the very tip of your finger to the tip of your nose. Just watch. You're going to bring the very tip of your finger to the tip of your nose. You're going to bring it back down without me telling you to do so. So when I call out left, straight up, straight back down without me telling you to do so. When I call out right, straight up, straight back down without me telling you to do so. Do you understand the instructions that I gave to you? Do you have any questions about this before we get started? Okay, go ahead, head tilt back, close your eyes. Relax.
Based on her poor performance on the tests, the deputies placed the woman under arrest for driving under the influence, or DUI, but before taking her to the station, they ensured arrangements were made for her child's care.
Here, do me a favor, step off the truck. Go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me. I'm placing you under arrest for DUI.
You said you have a child at home? How old?
4 months old.
Is there anybody with the child now?
His father and mother-in-law.
Okay.
He's only breastfed though.
Okay.
If you guys could please contact him soon.
Yeah, well, in just a minute, we'll
Like
take
as
care.
soon as possible.
We will take care of it, okay?
Stop as soon as possible.
We'll let them know.
Please do.
Anything in the truck that we need to know about? So we do have to do an inventory search of it before we get there.
Sir.
Anything on your person that I need to know about? Weapons, drugs, large amounts of money? Okay. Alright, let's go step over to the car here.
What about my baby?
We're gonna make some phone calls and take care of that right now and just face towards the car. Okay. Sit back for me.
Please make sure my baby is okay.
Yep, we're gonna make some phone calls here.
Please do.
Once at the station, she took a breath test. The result? A staggering 0.183 blood alcohol concentration, more than twice the legal limit. The woman was arrested and booked, and it was later revealed that she was already on probation. If you found this story interesting, or if you want to stay updated on similar incidents, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Stay safe out there, and always drive responsibly. The woman under arrest for driving under the influence, or DUI.